Can I sell my products on Amazon FBA without having a trademark? Or can I list my first product on Amazon without even having a brand registry done? So these two questions are basically the most common question which I get from Amazon beginner sellers on daily basis. So I thought today I should make a video on that, and let's clear your concept regarding Amazon brand registry, Amazon brand approval, Amazon trademark. So you will know everything about it, like to start selling your products on Amazon, what you need and what you don't need. So there are very minor difference between Amazon FBA brand approval, Amazon brand registry and trademark. So I will recommend you to watch this video till the end without skipping any part, because every detail in this video is too much important for you, because this is the step which you have to decide before selling on Amazon, right? So if you are a regular viewer of my channel, so you know that I usually make videos for tips and tricks which can actually help you in your e-commerce journey, whether you are selling on any platform like Amazon, TikTok, Shopify or Walmart. So you can actually watch my videos, learn those tips and tricks and solve all of your errors without wasting your time. So you can actually use that time to focus on growing your business and getting more revenue and profit. So if you're new here, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so in future you can get videos like this for free which can help you in your e-commerce journey. So now let's get back to our topic. So basically, if you're a new seller or if you want to start selling your product on Amazon and you are confused that if you need a trademark or not, so basically the answer is it's totally up to you. Like you can start selling on Amazon without having a trademark, and you can start selling on Amazon with trademark as well. So now let me tell you the difference between brand approval and brand registry, right? So for example, your brand name is XYZ, which is in your mind right now, and you want to start selling your product with that brand name right now, and later on you want to make that brand a big brand, right? But right now, you don't want to register a trademark, but you still want to sell with the name of that brand. So it is 100% possible for you to start selling your product with that brand name without even having a trademark. So basically for that, you need to apply for the brand approval. So now let me clear you one thing here. There are two things. One is brand name approval and second is brand registry. So in a brand name approval, you can actually apply to Amazon, like I want to sell my products on Amazon with that brand name, and right now I'm not having a trademark. So basically the brand approval you can get free of cost without having any trademark, and Amazon will allocate your brand name on Amazon, so you can actually sell your product with that brand name. But the second thing is brand registry. So this is something you need a trademark for, and if you want to apply for the brand registry, then it will cost you a trademark, right? So if you only want to go for brand approval, you can actually have that without having a trademark. But if you want to get a brand registry done on Amazon, then you need a trademark for that. So basically the difference between both of these things is, if you get a brand approval, you will be able to sell your product with your brand name, but you will not having any other feature which a branded seller have. Like you will not be able to create your storefront, you will not be able to put A+ content on your listing, and you will not have the access of branded tools like Amazon brand analytics and brand support. So if you want to get all of these features, then you will have to get a trademark done and apply for brand registry, and once your registry will be approved, then you will become a branded seller on Amazon, and you can actually unlock all of these branded features which all of the big sellers are having. So I have already made 2 separate videos on these topics in which I explain you step by step how you can apply for brand approval and how you can apply for brand registry. So I will put both of the links in the description. So after watching this video, you can watch them as well, in which I explain you step by step how to apply for brand approval without trademark, free of cost, and how to apply for brand registry with trademark, which will cost you some money, but it will give you more benefit. So now at this point, if you ask me for my opinion, so I will advise you, like if you're a new seller and you want to just test your product on Amazon and you don't know much about Amazon, so first you can actually apply for brand name approval, and then you can start selling your product with that brand name. And later on, when you start getting sale and you think that Amazon is a good business for you and you want to scale that, then you can have a trademark done and apply for brand registry later. But remember, getting a brand name approval is too much important, because if you don't get that and you create a listing and start selling your product without having any brand name, then later on when you file a trademark or do a brand registry, then you will not be able to change the brand name on your previous listing. You have to create a new listing. So now at this point, I hope you have cleared all of your confusion regarding trademark, brand approval and brand registry. So if you're a new seller or you are just about to start selling your products on Amazon, so after watching this video, go there, apply for the brand approval, and later on get a trademark and apply for brand registry when you think that it's good time to scale your Amazon FBA business and make it a full-time income. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.